got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun.
Whichever way you want it, either wet or dry.
I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make.
This is the wig I'll be installing today. Focus on 100% human hair. This is their website. You can email them here and you can call them here. You can scan this. Let me take it closer for you guys to scan it, and it will take you directly to their website or their social media. Okay, this is the wig. It's in here, and these are the goodies that came with it: a pair of lashes, elastic band, and what's this? Oh guys, wow guys, this is so cute. This is first time I'm receiving gifts like this. See, makeup brushes. Wow, they added makeup brushes. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Let me open it. Wow, and there's even a purse inside for you to arrange your makeup brushes. Oh, thank you. This is cute, guys. This is cute. There are some other things inside. Let me bring them out. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, when you're traveling, you need this, or if you find it difficult, if they are that type that don't like sleeping with light, when there is light, you can just wear this. Also, there is a hair pack. Oh, a lot of things. See this bag. Ooh, thank you. What's this again? And also there is a scarf. Guys, wow, these are a lot of things. A lot that came with this wig. I was like, why is this so heavy? I never knew that all this. And there's a wig cap, deep coily, 22 inches T-part wig. So it's T-part wig. Is this T-part wig? Okay, it's T-part wig. You guys know T-part wig. And this is 22 inches. Look at the color. Ooh, my oh my, this is lovely. Lovely. Let me remove this, the net. 22 inches T-part wig, 4/27 color, deep coily, 150 density. For one, the hair is so soft. Let me remove all this from it. So inside there is little lace at the back. So look at the lace. This is the T-part, long. You can see that it's so long. So long. Okay. See the inside, the construction of the inside. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap, combs by the side and at the back. Here, let me turn it. You can see the T-part. Okay, so this is T-part. I think there's no need tweezing this hair. You see the hairline, so I'm just going to cut the lace like this. Then see the hair at the back. Let me bring this down. So you see it. Let me comb it. Ooh, look at this. Wow. When you comb it, see how big it is. So see what came out of it. This is nothing, okay? Compared to her coily hair shape. See how big it is as I'm combing it out. It's on the front. I'm going to cut the lace from it while it's on my mannequin head. Okay, I just changed my lighting today and I changed everything, my tripod, everything. So I don't know if everything is well positioned. So I'm going to follow the hairline and cut the excess lace from it.
Be my refuge, I will be alright.
I'm just following the hairline.
But somehow you make me change. I don't know why you make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why, I don't know why. Like a better.
You can see that the tip part, this is the tip part. You can see the color is brown. So I'll wet like this first to see if there's any need to add airbrush legs or not. This is it on. I did not glue it down. Let me comb it because I want it to be so big, really big. Okay, you can see it doesn't shed, just little. So I'll use my bronzer on the part because you can see that the pattern is a little bit white. So let me use my bronzer. You see that you don't need to do anything. You just, if you like, you can glue it down. So I don't just want to glue it down with this summer when the glue will melt on me. So I don't like that. When the weather is so hot, you don't need to glue your wig down. So that is when you need this kind of wig. See, this is lovely. See, I did not glue it down. You can see it. I hate it with summer. You glue your hair down, the wig with the glue just be melting on you. You feel so uncomfortable. So I like a wig like this that you don't just need to glue it down. But if you want to glue it down, it's all left for you. You can do that. But this is how I like it, and I like the volume this way. Wow, this is really beautiful. See, comb freely. See that? See that? So the link to this unit will be on the description box. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. This is lovely. You see this? I did not glue it down and it looks so lovely. I like that the part is very, very long. You guys know I love long party. Oh. And the volume is giving me life. So I still need to wet it anyway, to coil it for you guys. So let's do that. Let me coil it, okay? Then I'll wait. You tell me what you prefer, either wet or dry. Me, I prefer it dry like this. But I'm still going to wet it for you guys to see. Look at it.
I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself.
You see, the more I spray water, it gets smaller. And the coil is defined the more. So I'm going to apply this cream on it. Coil Lala. It's for coily hair. I'll apply a generous amount. See that it's more longer. Really long. And the color changes also. Color is more darker than when it was dry. If really not for this video, I wouldn't have added any cream to it. I would have just leave it dry. But I need to show you guys, for those that like their hair this way. So this is it, coily. So which do you prefer, coily or dry? If you don't like hair that have volume, you can wet it, then you wear it coily this way. Wet this way, I mean. Wet or dry? Myself, I prefer dry, and I like it wet as well. I prefer the two. The two are okay. So guys, that is it. You see, it's very simple for this summer. This color is bomb.com. Okay, you don't need to like glue it down, but if you want, it all depends on what you like. You can glue it down, but me, I don't like during the summer gluing my wigs down because the glue will just be melting on me. I don't like that. So this is really beautiful, and you can see the coils. See this after wetting it. You saw it when it was dry, when I did not wet it. So the hair is from MslynnHair. Is it MslynnHair? So I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. I'll check if there's any discount code. You guys know how we'll do it. If there's any, I'll definitely leave it on the description box. Check that out, and the direct link to this unit will be on the description box as well. Don't hesitate to check that, okay, in case if you are interested. I like the hair because there's no more shedding from it, and the hair is so soft. You can rock it whichever way you want it, either wet or dry. So, and the most important thing I like about it is long parts. You guys know I love long parts like this, and you can wear this wig without gluing it down. It's a plus to it, okay? So if you want to glue it down, it's all left for you. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much. And if you love this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous as always. Bye. Ciao.
As I reach out to